sound effects. Now for this game, I need a little bit of audience participation. Would you like to come up with these sounds? And let's get you up there. Yep, come on down. Alrighty, so you were going to do sounds for Mora, and you were going to do sounds for Simon. And so how this game works is they'll just be doing a regular scene. Anytime they need a little bit of help with the sound effects, you just give that to them. So why don't we get like a little, maybe, let's try opening a drawer.
A water balloon.
Let's do like maybe, I don't know, like opening like a can of beans or something. Something sticky.
That was a lot easier than I thought it would be.
So let's get a location that will provide for a lot of sounds. Taco Pedro.
A kitchen! A kitchen! A bedroom! A theme park! The dump! The dump!
What was that?
Disneyland!
Alright, so I heard Disneyland. We're just going to go for like a theme park, an amusement park. Yeah. Alright, so you're doing sounds for Simon and you're doing sounds for Mario. Alright, let's count them in. 3, 2, 1.
I'm the carburetor on this roller coaster.
I'm just gonna make my way up the stairs here.
Jeffrey!
Hey!
I hear the sound of the screaming then. I need to wheel
Stop
up.
the ride! Stop the ride! Let me put my seatbelt on because I feel like these stairs are a little not so sturdy.
Stair seatbelts.
The stairs! Put them on my whole body. I'm secure
I'm
now.
gonna roll out from underneath this roller coaster. Ooh, smooth ride.
Here, let me help you up with my, I've got this like super suction-y glove.
Ooh!
Nice.
That's exhilarating every time.
Yeah, man, sometimes we should just do that. But
That's
seriously,
right. We killed a dude.
we killed it.
I've got a shovel in this closet over here.
Alright, cool, I've got 409 disinfectant wipes. It's like one of those ones where you it's a disinfectant wipe that's actually not a wipe, it's a spray bottle.
You're a real character.
You want to see it come out?
Yes.
There's like something following it, I think.
I
It's
think
like
so.
making the same, I don't know.
Noises.
I got something in my shoe or what it is.
I don't know what it is either. I'm gonna start digging this grave with you.
You know what? I don't think you're doing it right.
Yeah, the soil feels a little loose.
Yeah, that's because that's concrete. Let me get my drill.
Woo!
Is my drill? Yep.
The cable's too thick. Let me lift it up for you.
Thank you. Oh God, I can't do it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
It caught on another person.
It caught on.
Gosh darn it.
Now we just have to build a bigger hole. That's not.
Let's build a mausoleum. Let's build it out of this cotton candy machine that gives cotton
Okay,
candy.
just keep reeling it out. Pull it out. I'll catch it in this butterfly now.
Does my hair look nice in this wind?
It's a little stringy. You should put in more
My hair-
product.
Oh. Can I try that weird disinfectant spray that has
Yeah,
like a
let me
bird?
grab it. Let me grab it. I think I just.
I'll start mashing the cotton candy.
Oh no! Oh gosh! A little. Oh, something is coming out of your head. It's a soft sound. I think it's maybe the spirit. It's communicating through you. No, it's not that. It's not that. It's not that. No. I have weird hearing.
You do have here, wait. I borrowed my grandma's old-timey funnel hearing aid.
Perfect. Stick it in.
All right.
Is it gonna hurt?
Yes, it will.
Should I? Wait. Oh, God! Trouble!